Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS. Today we'll be discussing a new cue card, that is describe a person who solved a problem in a smart way. You should include the following points: who this person is, what the problem was, how he or she solved it, and explain why you think he or she did it in a smart way. Now we will discuss the answer in detail. The first point is who this person is. Well, life has become chaotic these days. Due to it, sometimes we are stuck in such a critical situation that it seems difficult to solve or tackle the situation. The meaning of chaotic is disordered or disorganized. Tackle means handle. The same thing happened to me a couple of years or months ago when I got trapped in a similar condition. Luckily, I have a quick witted sister who became my savior at that time. Her name is Anjali. A couple of means too. You can either use months or years depending on your class or education here. Trapped means confined or shut in. Quick witted means a person who can respond to a problem quickly, or you can say an intelligent person. Savior means rescuer or a person who saves someone or something from danger or difficulty. Let's move to the second point. What the problem was. Here you can describe any problem related to your assignment or competition, but I have used a simple yet impressive situation. Let's have a look. I vividly remember I was studying in the senior secondary and our exams were closing in. Vividly means clearly and closing in means approaching or to move nearer. The whole class was asked to make an assignment which was crucial for an assessment. I had prepared it at the correct time, but unfortunately, on the day of submission, I could not find my assignment anywhere at home. Here, the meaning of crucial is important. There are other synonyms to use like vital, significant, or paramount. In the end, I lost all my hopes, so I was feeling down in the dumps. Down in the dumps is an idiom that means extremely sad. If you want a detailed explanation of such idioms, you can click the I button given above at the right side of this video. Now we'll answer the next point, that is how he or she solved it. When my sister noticed me in depression, she immediately approached me and asked me the reason. I explained to her the whole situation. As I earlier said, she is quite intelligent. She had a quick fix for my problem as well. Instead of saying depression, you can even say misery, despair, or sorrow. Quick fix means something that seems to be a fast and easy solution to a problem. Now we'll move further. She asked me to buy a new file and called her friends at home. We were a total of 7 members and there were 14 pages to be written. She took out the staples and distributed 2 pages to each of us. It took no time to complete the assignment. We completed the assignment in just 30 minutes. Then she assembled all the pages and I still had enough time. I went to my class teacher and submitted my file on time. That time my joy knew no bounds. Assembled means to gather or collect. Again, there is an idiom that is, my joy knew no bounds. That means to feel extremely happy. Now, the last point is explain why you think he or she did it in a smart way. I think that my sister tackled the situation in an extremely smart way. First of all, I could not think of such an idea and gave up all my hopes when she became my savior. Gave up means to leave. Secondly, I am amazed at her presence of mind. She just took a minute to think of an idea and solved my problem quickly. I am really proud of having such an intelligent person in my life. Amazed means happy. So, this is all about the answer. Let's move to the third section of the speaking part. The first question is, do you think children are born smart or do they learn to become smart? On the one hand, some children are God gifted. They have an exceptional mind and the power of intelligence. Such children tend to solve difficult problems in no time as well as they can learn anything that they want. On the contrary, others are not born smart, but they can develop this trait with practice and dedication, as it is rightly said that practice makes a man perfect. Therefore, if one is not born smart, there is nothing to worry about because one can easily become smart in life. Whenever there is a comparison between two things or two situations, you can use such connectors as on the one hand and on the contrary or on the other hand. Practice makes a man perfect is a proverb that is absolutely perfect to increase your band score. Let's have a look at the second question now. How do children become smart at school? First of all, they learn many subjects in educational institutions such as science, history, English, and many more that make them smart as they get a lot of knowledge about every aspect of life. Secondly, there are many activities in the school like quiz competitions by which students gain the ability to compete and win. Apart from that, they get involved in physical activities and become active not only physically but mentally as well because it is commonly said that a sound mind lives in a sound body. Due to all these things, learners are more likely to be smart when they are in school. Whenever we use connectors in our answer, it becomes more fluent and clearer. Again, there is a proverb a sound mind lives in a sound body that is impressive to score more in the speaking module. More likely to means there are more chances. The third question is, why are some people well rounded and others only good at one thing? This is really difficult to answer, but I believe it all depends and varies from person to person. Some are keen to learn several things at a time, so they become all rounders. Nevertheless, others just want to concentrate on one thing to become an expert, so they do only one thing in life. So people have their own choices and preferences. Varies means different, nevertheless can be used for however, concentrate means focus. The fourth question is, why does modern society need talent of all kinds? Well, this is crucial for a society to have talents of all kinds. This is because modern society is undergoing huge changes, and to maintain a good society, we need people of different talents. For example, if our society needs to have a building, there is a requirement of the people from several fields such as a builder, an architect, a carpenter, a plumber, an electrician, a painter, and so on. That's why a society needs collaboration of different skills. So, students, whenever you want to expand your answer, using an example is the best method. Give an example related to your answer that will even make your answer and point of view stronger. This is all about our latest cue card and follow ups. Hope you like the video. Stay tuned for more IELTS updates and videos.